everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day and a wonderful week so far. Today I'm going to be filming a new trend that has been all over YouTube lately, I tried following Blank's makeup tutorial. So today I chose to follow KathleenLight's makeup tutorial. She's one of my favorite YouTubers here and I've been watching her for probably about 3 years. But I was struggling on if I wanted to do a KathleenLight's tutorial or a Jaclyn Hill tutorial. So I found the perfect one. I'm going to be doing a KathleenLight's makeup tutorial using Jaclyn Hill's palette. So anyways, I'm just gonna get right into the tutorial. I'm gonna try to put her video like in the corner of the screen somewhere so you guys can follow along with what I'm doing. I only watched the first minute or two of her video, so the rest is gonna be a surprise. If you'd like to see me recreate her makeup look, just keep on watching, and if you enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. And let's just get right into the video.
Hey guys, so today's video is a makeup tutorial on the look I am wearing right now. I am using the brand new Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. Long if you want to see how to get this blue purpley, because that blue kind of looks purpley reddish kind of smoky eye, then just keep watching. So I'm just priming my eyelids with some concealer.
Okay, priming eyelids with some concealer. So I'm just gonna prime my eyelid like she did. I think she used the Shape Tape. She didn't really say. I'm in the shade Light Sand for Shape Tape. Okay.
The Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to take this shade, and on a fluffy crease brush I am just going to buff this into my crease. I'm really putting this color on my entire crease. I'm not being precise with this or anything. I just want it all up in there. And then I'm going to take this color right here. I know...
Wait, did she take the third or the fourth color?
As usual,
I keep missing what color she... Okay, the fourth one.
Take this shade, and
she's
on a
putting it
fluffy crease
all
brush
over
I'm just going to buff this into my crease.
Okay, okay. I'm putting this all over her crease, like she said. This color is really pretty. This palette, honestly, I've played around with it quite a few times, and I really like all the color combinations. I like how easy they are to blend.
I'm really putting this color on my entire crease. I'm not being precise with this or anything.
Okay, good.
I just want it all up in there.
All up in there.
And then I'm going to take this color right here.
Okay.
I know all of these shades have names, but I have no idea where I put a little paper insert. So I'm just going to put, and that's it. So I am buffing this color in my crease as well, but I'm being a little bit more precise with this one and not blowing it out so much.
Okay, so she took a darker color. She took this color right here, and she said she put it in the same area, but she was more precise with it, so that's what we're gonna be doing. Okay, what's next, girl?
And then I'm gonna take this delicious blue color.
We're just going right
and
in.
I'm gonna pack this on my entire lid.
We're going right in to the packing of the blue.
Alright, so...
Okay, so she took this bright, sparkly blue color. She packed that all over her lid. What? What? Oh my gosh, I literally dug my brush into this color and it's not coming up like hers did.
Like a
I need to go back. I need to go back. Okay, so she really just put that all over. Okay. Okay, dokie. Wow, this is way out of my comfort zone. I never wear any eyeshadows this crazy and intense. So this is fun. I think I brought it up a little too high. Well, it's okay.
Alright, so I really love how this like reddish color looks against the blue. So I am packing this color into my crease. I'm actually putting a lot of this color down. I'm applying a lot of it and then slowly diffusing it into my crease. Kind of like dragging it up and making it a little bit more smoky and faded.
I messed up big time. I really messed up.
Then I'm gonna...
I really messed up. Okay, we're gonna fix this. We got this. I'm switching brushes. I'm gonna be using a Morphe E17 brush instead. And, okay, this is a little bit better. This is better. because the other brush I was using was like packing it on top of the blue because I think it was a little too big.
I'm going to take this darker red in the palette, and I'm going to use this kind of like the sandwich color in between.
Okay, good. Now I'm just going to be blending a lot because honestly, this needs some help. Hers is turning out so pretty and mine's like turning out all splotchy and nasty. But I promise I'm going to fix it and it's going to look really good. Wait.
I'm gonna go back in.
Okay. Okay, she said she's going back into the blue though, so that's good because I feel like the blue is getting taken away as I'm putting more red onto my eye. But I think the whole focus of this look is supposed to be like the pop of blue, so I'm definitely gonna need to add more inside.
Into the blue and intensify it, of course, because when you apply a bunch of other eyeshadows on top, it will lose its intensity. So I'm just packing that color again, and same goes with this red shade. I'm just intensifying it a little bit more. Just any harsh lines right up in there. And then I decided to go with this color versus the black because this one was a little more purpley.
Wait, which color?
So I'm using it with this color versus the black.
Which color?
Harsh lines right up in there.
I can't wait to wipe under my eye because it's honestly so messy.
Highlight. So I took the Balm Nude Beach palette and I dipped it into the shade Brilliant just to highlight my brow bone without a shimmery color, but then I thought I needed a shimmery color, so I went in with the first shade in the palette, but I didn't want to apply too much because as you can see, my brows are wolfing and I don't want to bring too much attention to them. I took a brush with no additional product and I just blended out my crease some more, and now.
Okay, so it looks like the final step for this eye is the brow bone highlight. Well, that's pretty. Yeah, this definitely needed a shimmer on the brow bone highlight because all of this is matte. So now I'm just gonna blend out the crease again to make sure there's no harsh lines. And my blue is still kind of fading, to be honest, so I'm just gonna try to go back in one more time with a little more of that blue shade. I just finished this eye. I like how it turned out. It could be a little more blended, so I'm probably just gonna keep going over it a little bit. But I need to go do this eye and then I will be right back. Okay, so I look like I'm just gonna hope that this look comes together. I think I'm just like not used to seeing myself with such dark eye makeup because this just really doesn't look right. But I'm trying and we're just gonna keep going with the look because I think it'll come together once I'm done because hers looks so pretty. Mine just looks a little bit dark, but I think it's just because I'm not used to seeing myself like this. Anyways, we're gonna continue with her tutorial.
No Pore Blem Primer. It's supposed to help with your pores and I love it so much.
Okie dokie. So I don't have that exact primer. I'm just gonna use a different primer that is blurring because she's using one to eliminate pores. So I'm gonna be using the Maybelline New York Master Prime Primer. It's the Blur and Illuminate one. This one is actually really good. I have this and I have the redness control, I think. So I'm just gonna put this all over my face.
For me, so
I don't have that foundation either. Okay,
and
she's
then I'm
using.
just buffing it in with my It Cosmetics Love This.
Okay, I don't have that foundation, but she is using a brush. I'm just gonna be putting this all over my skin. And I'm just gonna start blotting this in. I am so not used to doing my eyebrows before I do my foundation. I always do my eyebrows after I do my foundation because I'm worried about getting foundation on them. But Kathleen had her brows done before the video even started.
One of my favorites. I don't use it on camera that often, but it really is one of the best. And now for concealer, I'm just going to take my usual Tarte Shape Tape. This is in the shade Light Neutral, and I'm just buffing that underneath my eyes to cover up my dark circles.
I'm using a Morphe brush, and I'm going to be trying to blend this out. Oh my gosh, this is so weird. So I don't have her exact powder, but I have a NYX powder that looks kind of similar. So I'm going to take this on a Morphe Gold brush. This is such a cute brush set. It's like a rose gold color. And it came with like about 5 brushes and they're all so cute. I love them.
And then I just took the M Cosmetics new black eyeliner. It is amazing. It took me forever to...
So I won't be doing that because I have contacts, and for some reason every time I tightline my waterline or my lower lash line, my eyes get super irritated. So I'm just gonna skip that so I don't have to deal with any eye irritations.
Take it off, which is a good thing. So I applied this to my tight line and my waterline as well. And then I forgot to show you a little clip, but I took the first shade we ever used in the crease.
Okay, so we're taking the lightest brown shade and we're gonna apply it to the lower lash line. I don't really use, I don't really put stuff on my lower lash line either. So this is also new for me. Okay, so she's using, I have that mascara. She's using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara and Ardell Wispy. Okay, so this mascara I'm not a huge fan of because I got the waterproof version. And everybody says that the waterproof, or that the non-waterproof, okay, what is happening? Do you guys see this? Everyone says that the non-waterproof mascara is 10 times better. Because this one is just so hard to take off my lashes. And like, yeah, that's good, but I'm not going swimming, so there's no need for it to be that hard to take off.
And then that completes the eyes. To finish up the face, I'm going to contour my skin. I'm going to take the, I wanted to take my hoops off because they were driving me bananas. And then I forgot to put them back on. But anyway, I took the contour blush by NARS in the shade Talia.
Okay, I don't have that either, so I'm just going to be using the Too Faced Cocoa Bronzer in light to medium.
And I use that to just carve out the cheekbones a bit and a little bit on my forehead. My eye makeup, since it's pretty colorful. So this one's really natural and just goes with everything. And then I busted out a highlight I haven't used in a long time.
Oh, I have that!
This is MAC Give Me Snow.
I have that!
This is MAC Soft and Gentle. And I just applied this to the tops of my cheekbones and a little bit on my nose to highlight. And then for my lip color, I took the NARS.
Stop. Okay, this highlight, I forgot how much I loved it too. So she's doing
Buenos Aires.
And I
really love this. I just picked this up.
My eye is tickling me. So I'm just taking 920 Nude Lust, and this is, I think, Maybelline. I have no clue, honestly. I think it's Maybelline.
Hope you enjoyed.
Oh, we're done.
Please subscribe.
If you want to see more videos like this, please give it a thumbs up and let me know down below who I should recreate next if I were to do another one of these videos, because I really would want to. Like, this was pretty fun. So thank you again so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video.